as you can hear, I've still got this cold, flu, whatever it is, that I've had for over 2 weeks now. Let me move you. About a year ago, I had to move around where all my fabrics are kept, and they're now in my large dresser, wash dresser. And yesterday, Boxing Day, I had a move round in this area. Let me show you. I've taken down the design wall, it was getting on my nerves. This behind it though is an old quilt I made, and I've replaced it since with a different one. So I thought I'll hang it on the wall and use that as a design wall. This is the fairy that I've been trying to get inspiration for whoa, quite a while. But I have now, I'm going to make what appears like a curtain pole. And I've got these embroidery designs to go, I think they're called finials on the end of them. So that's what I will be doing soon. This is a friend of mine who the first quilt I quilted on my long arm, she gave me one of hers to do, and loves it. And she gave me this, which is patchwork squares and that, and I thought, I'm going to do something with that next year. So that's my ongoing project, to replace this when I do this. But I've now got here, where the wardrobe was, I've got my serger overlocker and my necking machine, and underneath it is my vintage new home machine. So that's absolutely brilliant. I can access more or less all my machines. Also, where I get my fabrics from, they have a Christmas gift. Everyone who's bought fabric from that year, they basically pick one out at random and then send them 2 meters of a fabric of their choice, which is very similar to the ones that I've ordered from before. Sorry about that, I said this cold, but that was nice of them. I thought it was absolutely brilliant, and it was pound fabrics that I get them from. A lot are £1, the rest are just very reasonable price. So I just thought to give you a quick update. My room's looking big now. Now I've got rid of that wardrobe and the design wall, which was here, 1.5 to 2 foot. Yeah, 2 foot out, and there was a wardrobe there. But I'm rambling. Thank you. Bye.